Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into a critical aspect of successfully implementing generative AI, evaluating your existing infrastructure. GenAI offers incredible potential, but without a solid foundation, you risk encountering performance bottlenecks, increased costs, and ultimately project failure. It's essential to understand that GenAI tools, especially large language models, place significant demands on your systems. A proactive assessment ensures your infrastructure can handle the workload, paving the way for a smooth and efficient deployment. Let's break down the key infrastructure components vital for GenAI. First, computation. GenAI models require substantial processing power. Consider GPUs or TPUs for parallel processing to accelerate training and inference. Next, storage. Datasets used for training, fine-tuning, and output generation demand fast and reliable storage. Object storage or SSDs can significantly improve access times. Finally, networking. GenAI tools often rely on cloud services, APIs, and external data sources. Robust networks with low latency and high bandwidth are crucial. Remember, align your infrastructure planning with the scale and speed of your GenAI project. Consider this real-world example. A mid-sized e-commerce company wanted to deploy a GenAI tool for real-time customer responses. Initially, they faced significant delays due to an inadequate compute setup. The investigation revealed a lack of GPU support in their virtual machines, an unoptimized database, and an internal network unable to handle the increased traffic. The solution involved upgrading to GPU-backed cloud instances, implementing a high-speed SSD-based storage solution, and optimizing internal routing. This resulted in improved performance and, most importantly, increased customer satisfaction. This highlights the importance of thorough infrastructure evaluation. Now, let's focus on assessing your organization's infrastructure readiness. Where are you currently using GenAI or planning to use it? How are you planning your infrastructure to support GenAI initiatives? As a personal action item, I encourage you to jot down a specific GenAI use case relevant to your work. Then, consider the compute, storage, and network support that would be necessary to make it a reality. This exercise will help you identify potential gaps and prioritize your infrastructure investments.